Hi, it's Amy with WTI. I gotta tell you about this mini cordless SCOVAC vacuum for the car or really for anything. My favorite thing about this is that it's so lightweight and it's so tiny. I feel like I can bring it anywhere. It's got 2 speeds, economy and turbo. It's also got a light on it, which is really nice when you're using it and it's a little dark or you're in some spots or areas that are a little hard to see. It has 2 filters and it comes with a variety of different attachments that can take care of any job that you might need. I was very impressed at all the dirt and the sand that it sucked up, and it's easy to dump out afterwards. The battery life is more than sufficient for getting a job done, and it's actually lasted quite a few times for me before I've had to recharge it. The charging port is a USB-C, so that's really convenient because I have several USB-C cords and I can use any one of them. I even threw it in my beach bag and used it to clean up the sand on my beach towel. I'm really enjoying this mini vacuum. I love being able to take it with me wherever I go. It's a great one to check out, and that's my point of view.